I've been very interested by the teardowns that people like AVE do and other sort of tool reviews. This is an old iPod. It doesn't work. You can see I kept the box because, you know, it was a lot of money back in the day. It stopped working a few years ago, but you can tell the case is still in pretty decent shape. It's been scuffed up. If I remember correctly, this thing's been to 3 continents, and you know, you can hear the little clickety click click on the detent there. A buddy of mine who's a little more fractious than me said that tearing these things apart is very difficult, and you got to get the torch out. Fortunately for me, I dropped it some years ago, and there's a nice little crack right here. So let's start there. All right. Got a little springy doodad. Let's see, there's a little display here of some foam patty stuff. The old hard drive. This was pretty big. What was this? This was 160 gigs maybe? Yeah, 160 gigabytes. If it focuses. I don't know how these little ribbon... Oh, I guess you just wiggle them enough they come off. This is some really slick technology for the time. Man, I wonder if we could get this to spin up again. Well, what you probably can't see is this is a Samsung hard drive model, whatever, 161. It's got the Apple logo here. DC, yeah, whatever, voltage. Take that gobbledygook off. Got the tiny screen here. Let's see if we can get the tiny screw to come out. Oh, where's my bag? Let's, you know, all this stuff is trash, but let's collect it and then throw it away altogether, you know. Like I'm not be able to ever find a microscopic screw. And so my grandparents lived through the Depression, so I feel compelled to save all kinds of stuff that, you know, I'll never use. And that's why Goodwill exists, so we can get rid of all that stuff and pretend that we're helping people. Let's see, can we get this little... And... I'm not sure that's how that was intended. Oh, there's a little door there. Yep, see there's a little door there. Well, maybe there wasn't supposed to be, but there is now. Yeah, you can see they put some effort into making this thing. In the old sweatshop. Okay. I don't know what any of this stuff is. Clearly it's a board. Saw a tear down LCD screens on no, what's that guy? He's got some UK in his talk. DIY Perks, where they made all these lamps and things out of their screens. Repurpose them, all this sort of thing. I think we may have really broken it. So I don't know if we can get that to thrive again. Let's see if what we can. Let's see what we got here. Got some plastic sheet. Cool. We got some cracked up glass that we're cracking up right now. I can't remember if the iPhone was out yet when this particular bad boy came out. Ooh. I'm glad I can't see my reflection. I'm glad you can't see my reflection either. You know. So this is presumably the same stuff that the iPhone screen or an earlier generation. Well, no, this wasn't touchscreen, so it's pretty stout here. It's got a little plastic on the outside to keep all these glass fragments together. And then it's very dark, shiny. Okay. Let's see. Into the trash. These could be kind of handy for something. I'll have to watch that guy's video again to see if there's anything you can do. Oh, he's making little lampshades and things. And then this just seems shiny. Oh yeah, I can check my nose hairs now. Very, very, very shiny film thingy. The garbage. It says aluminum, presumably. We got a magnet right here from some other. Yep. Okay. So that's steel. It's ferrous. Okay. That means we can throw it in the recycle bin. You know, maybe we could. Yeah, I don't know. And then what do we got here? We got. This is focus. But this is the headphone jack into there. Yeah. I bet a little amplifier here. Be my guess, because that would make sense. Metal non-ferrous case. Pull that out. Oh, and there's our switch. Our switch still good? so let's tear this iPod down a little bit more. Batteries? No batteries. Okay. I don't know what we got here. We got the little ribbon. Is there a trick to these ribbons? They soldered in. Oh yes, you can see that ribbon comes through here. Apple 2007. And I don't know what any of these guys do. Button. Nice little clickety click click. Man, I don't want to tear this down just yet. I want to see if I can get it to spin up. 160 gigabits. It was expensive back in the day, man. That was expensive. Let's see what else is there. Oh yeah, I was going to take the switch apart. There's a little switch. And it ties into that. It's our little switch. Right here. And that's all of those. So these little teeny tiny Phillips guys. And we can, what's that hanging up on? Get rid of that foam. The foam is holding it on. This little circuit board. What does that say? Okay, what have you. There's this little film here. So that comes off. So you can see this is rivets or something. There's no more screws. So maybe there's some under the sticker. So we got one star. And then we can crack this guy apart, presumably. There you go. There's your pretty little hard drive. 2 discs, reader writer. Probably tear this down some more if we want to. Ooh, that's weird. 3. Do I? stamped on. Does this bad boy pop off? Okay. Ooh. So there's some magnetage there. So that's interesting. Put this in the bag of goodies that we're going to get rid of one day. Okay, so we got that. Oops. And that's, you can just see how fragile those readers are. You can see the little copper thing there building up a, and there's a nice little mechanical latch here, spring, kind of goodness. Tappity tap tap. How do I get that thing off? I don't know. And you can see here, these are the little readers. They read both sides of the disc, the reader writers. And yeah, it's kind of interesting. Oh yeah, and then this is this guy. Well, it's late. I'm tired. Don't know what I'm doing. So we are going to say goodnight.